Money making is a subject of great interest to many people, and there are various tips and strategies that people use to generate income. When it comes to the science behind money making, there are several factors to consider. Here are some details about money making tips and the science behind them. Understanding the value of time. Time is a precious resource, and it's essential to use it wisely to make money. People who are successful at money making often have a good understanding of how much their time is worth, and they use their time effectively to maximize their income. Time management skills, such as setting priorities and staying focused, can help people make the most of their time and increase their earning potential. Leveraging technology. Technology can be a powerful tool for money making. People who are able to leverage technology to their advantage can save time and increase their efficiency, which can translate into more income. For example, using online marketplaces, social media platforms, and other digital tools can help people reach a wider audience and increase their sales. Developing multiple streams of income. Diversifying income streams can be an effective money-making strategy. People who have multiple sources of income are less vulnerable to economic downturns and other risks that could impact their earnings. Building a portfolio of income streams that complement each other can provide stability and help people achieve their financial goals. Investing. Investing is an important part of money making, and it requires an understanding of financial markets and the principles of risk and reward. People who are successful at investing often have a long-term perspective and are patient and disciplined. They also have a good understanding of their risk tolerance and are able to manage their investments accordingly. Continuous learning. The world of money making is constantly changing, and people who are able to adapt and learn new skills are often more successful. Continuously learning about new technologies, markets, and other trends can help people stay ahead of the curve and identify new opportunities for income generation. In summary, money-making tips are often based on sound principles of time management, leveraging technology, diversifying income streams, investing wisely, and continuously learning. Understanding the science behind these tips can help people make informed decisions and achieve their financial goals.